Up next, we'll sit down with this year's Student Film Festival favorite, Blake Jaster, to talk about his top 10 films.
That clown doesn't have half your talent, and he's getting all the recognition.
Inhaling the good stuff. Exhaling the bad stuff.
That pretentious, rich little prick is stealing your thunder.
Not now.
You're a nerd, Reece. No one's gonna take you seriously.
Breathing in. Calm, breathing out. You're just a figment of my imagination. You're just a figment of my imagination.
Will you cut that shit out? I am not a figment of your imagination.
Leave me alone.
What are you trying to prove, huh? That you're an artist?